In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check message history in Discord. Whether you're trying to find an old message or simply browse through your previous conversations, knowing how to navigate Discord's message history can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Discord. You probably already have it on your computer or mobile device, but ensure you're logged in. Now, navigate to the server or the direct message where you want to check the message history. This could be any server or private conversation you have access to. Once you're there, scroll up using your mouse or trackpad. As you scroll through the chat, Discord will automatically load older messages. This process might take a little patience, especially for longer conversations, but it's straightforward. If you're looking for something specific and scrolling just isn't doing the trick, there's a handy search feature you can use. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or Command+F if you're on a Mac. This will open the search bar within your selected channel or direct message. With the search bar open, you're not limited to just basic keywords. Discord provides various search filters that make finding specific messages much easier. Let's explore some of these filters. Want to locate messages from a specific person? Use the filter from followed by their username. For example, typing from John Doe will return messages only from John Doe. If you're interested in messages from a particular channel, use the in filter followed by the channel name. This is especially useful for large servers with multiple channels, allowing you to narrow down your search efficiently. Sometimes you may want to find messages that include certain types of content, such as links or images. Here, the filter has comes in handy. You can type has link or has.image to find messages that contain links or images, respectively. Date-specific searches are another powerful way to sift through message history, especially if you remember when a conversation took place, but not the exact details. Use the before, after, or on filters followed by the date of interest. For instance, before 2023 to 10/1 will show you all messages before October 1st, 2023. Once you've entered your search criteria, press enter to see the results. Scroll through these results to find what you're looking for, and click on any message to jump directly to its location within the chat. This feature is incredibly useful for revisiting discussions or pulling up important information from past conversations. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to checking message history in Discord. By using these tips and tools, you can efficiently browse through past messages and pinpoint exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to use these techniques to make your Discord experience even smoother.